We rise by lifting others. Onwe. You are in an office in a position to give somebody a recommendation to share their post. But Ibu a small man. If you do that, somebody will see their brilliance. And you can't have somebody else being brilliant when you're a small man. But you can never be a star, fam. Ibu a small man. There is only room in the sky for your own star. You're happy to ride the dick of successful stars from your small man position. Because of course you think the shit gold. You'll never be big and nobody's ever going to give a shit about you. Makanibu Onye. At the end, you'll turn into a critic. Finally find a career to justify your hate. Sit on the sidelines and spout shit about successful people. Hate is your food. You'll never be happy. No sleep for the wicked. Small man. I think you should use Holy Ezumezi as your golfer when you don't have time, of course, for a golfer. Otherwise, reduce the volume more with your incense, darling.